Hello students, in this video let us learn about assume mean method. Mean of group data, assume mean method. In the previous video we have studied about direct method. Let us solve the same question. Marks obtained and the frequency. So 3 students got marks from 0 to 10. 5 students got marks from 10 to 20, 8 students got marks from 20 to 30, 7 students got marks from 30 to 40, and 7 more students got marks from 40 to 50. Okay. So we need to find xi. Okay. This is fi, frequency. Xi. What is xi? Lower boundary plus upper boundary divided by 2. We have seen this in the previous video, right? So this will be 10 by 2, 10 by 2 will be equal to 5. Okay. Or you can take number that is in between 10 and 20. Same thing will come. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 30 by 2, 30 by 2 is 15. So this is 15. So middle number of 20 and 30, 25. Middle number of 30 and 40, 35. Middle number of 40 and 50 is 45. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now, in this assume mean method, we consider one of these values as our mean. Okay, we assume one of these values as our mean. Okay. Generally, we take the middle value. Here 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. 25 is in the middle. Okay, so we are taking 25 as assuming. What if we have one more number here? Let us say you have 55 here. In that case, 25 and 35 will be the middle numbers, isn't it? So you can take either 25 or 35. It does not matter. You will still get the answer. Okay. So luckily for us, we have only one middle value. So we are taking A as 25. Alright. Oh, okay. Now the next column is the deviation. Okay, it is di. How do we write this di? Xi minus a. Okay, xi is 5 minus a, 25. Okay, so this will be minus 20. 15 minus 25. Xi minus a. So this will be minus 10. 25 minus 25, 0. 35 minus 25, 10. Okay, 45 minus 25, 20. Okay, I hope you understood this. This is our di. Okay, now to find mean using assume mean method, the formula is a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. Okay. So fi di should be multiplied. So fi is 3, 5, 8, 7 and 7. All these numbers are fi. And these are our di's. Minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 and 20, right? So we need to multiply fi and di. Okay. 3 into 20. Minus 20, that is minus 60. 5 into minus 10, minus 50. 8 into 0 is 0. 7 into 10 is 70. 7 into 20 is 140. Okay, so this is 210 minus 110, so this is plus 100. Okay, so this is sigma fi di is plus 100. We added all this, right? Minus sign 70 and 140. Okay, and this is sigma fi is equal to 30. Alright, because this was given in the question, 30 students, right? So A is equal to 25 plus sigma fi di is 100 divided by 30. Okay, 0 will get cancelled. 25 plus 10 by 3 is 3.33 and so on. So this will give us 28.33. Okay, so the mean is 28.33. In the previous video also we got the same number, 28.33 mean using direct method, right? Using assume mean method also we'll get the same thing, and using step deviation, which we are going to learn in the next video, we'll get the same mean, 28.33. Okay, and if you want offline tuitions, the details will be given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video.